We've been working with the tomato stall for pretty much since when we started. It's the perfect area for growing tomatoes.
We're on the Isle of Wight really because it's a prime location. We receive some of the best light in the country and really makes a big difference when you grow in Bomano, Angel, and we also supply a premium brown baby plum.
The tomato stall put a lot of pride in their produce. Their tomatoes are exceptional quality and they're always trying new things. They really put a lot of care and attention into the growing of their tomatoes.
We buy English beehives and we put into the glasshouse and they will pollinate the flowers. It means that plants grow faster, they produce more sugars, and with that we get a sweeter tasting tomato.
It's been really great to watch them work on their sustainability, matching our values and making sure that the customer gets the best tomatoes they can.